Hey Rubies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick and easy false eyelashes tutorial. So, growing up a competition dancer, we did false eyelashes for everything. There was a period of time when I refused to wear them. I think I wore them when I was little, and then as I got older, I was like, I'm not wearing these. And then I got older and was like, wait, these are so easy to put on. So that being said, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do fake eyelashes, and we are gonna be pros together. I'm just gonna zoom you on in and give me 1 second and I'll be right back. And welcome back. So, I'm going to be using these Ardell lashes. I picked these just because they're ones that I have. My really nice Tarte ones are starting to fall apart and I'm really upset about it, so I have to get some nice lashes. If you have some that you recommend, put them in the comments below and I will definitely check them out. And then the lash glue I'm going to be using is quite honestly the lash glue that everyone uses. It is the lash glue that lasts the best, I think. I personally like the paint-on kind, but we are going to be using Duo. It is the best lash glue of all time. This is the Brush-On Adhesive with vitamins. I just personally like this one better. I like the brush. I like the easy application. To me, it makes sense. I don't like squeezing it out. And, you know, in competition days, we would squeeze it and we would use a little bobby pin and like spread it out. And it's easy. It was easy, but I didn't know that this existed. And once I found that the brush applicator existed, it was just so much easier. It was the easiest thing for me to do. So I'm spreading that tip to you. It's still Duo. It is still the glue that everyone uses, but it is the brush-on kind. So that being said, I am going to use the ones that I've been using. As you could tell, they probably could use some love, but that's fine. We're going to use these anyway. So these are just the Demi black, the 120s from Ardell. They're just lashes. They're definitely synthetic. Like, I won't use real animal hair or anything, but like they're just fake lashes. So that being said, get out your handy dandy mirror and we are going to get started. So I generally do all of my makeup and then I do the lashes. So I have eyeshadow on, I have eyeliner on, and I have mascara on. The tip is to put a little bit of mascara on first and then put the lashes on and then put a little bit more on after, but we'll see if I actually need that or not. Cool. So yeah. So I'm going to start with my right eye just because I'm righty and that makes sense to me. So I'm going to just gently pull it off of the packing. Careful not to pull the actual lashes because sometimes they fall out. So it is a little bit sticky from where the glue was last time. So all you're going to do, take out your lash glue. You are going to paint it on like so. And the nice part about this one is that the white glue dries clear, but it goes on blue. I don't know if you could see, it goes on blue, which is very helpful. So I always dab a little bit of extra in the corners, like on the outer corner and the inner corner. Screw that back on tight, don't forget while you're doing it. So then I give it a second. I blow on it, I go like this so it doesn't get stuck in one area. I just kind of give it a second to live its best life and to get a little bit tacky, because the part that is hard for people is that they try to put the lash on when it's not tacky and then it just is sliding all over and then it becomes a mess. So you can tell because it's not so blue anymore. I'm gonna try to get close here. So I don't use tweezers or anything. I personally just don't really think that those are helpful. I'd rather use my fingers. So what I do is I place it right on my eye. I go up and then push down so my actual long eyelashes don't get in the way. So I kind of match it up where I want it to go. My hands are in the way. And then I push and press the middle down first. And then I push the sides in. Gotta pull the back down. The goal is to get them as close to your natural eyelashes as possible. Let me see how I did here with this mirror. This is not my best, not my best. It is more on my actual eyelash, but I will take it for now. So, After they're on, what I like to do is I like to pinch them together so it's on my actual skin. But as you could tell, like, it's on. It's easy. It is not that hard. It looks really nice. It's super simple. The inner corner of this one is just a hot mess. There's just a lot of glue on it, so please, I need to clean these. I'm disgusting. But it's that simple. That's all it takes. So let's do the other side, and the same exact thing applies. So let's pull. Maybe I should say this. You wear them this way. So the right one is shorter on the inside, longer on the outside, and then the left one is shorter on the inside, longer on the outside. You can trim them. I always trim them from the longer side, not the inner corner. I'm gonna pull this little baby off. I'm gonna put some glue on, just like so. Cool, 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 cool. Seriously, I say that in every video, and I always reference Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and people, you need to watch this show. It's incredible. Give it a little exercise here. And as you could tell, it's starting to get tacky, so here we go. Where's my mirror? So here we go. I am actually going to use my left hand. I think that's what I generally do. Same thing applies. You go up and then down. Get it as close to that natural lash as possible. Guys, like, it's really that easy. There's nothing to be scared of. And, like, that's it. So then from here, you could always put a little bit more mascara on your natural lashes, just a little bit, because then your fake lashes get really dirty. But the idea is to just kind of blend your natural lashes into the false lashes. But really, guys, it's that easy. If you have any questions, you can absolutely write them in the comments below, and I will respond to them. That being said, I hope you liked this video, and I hope it helped you out a little bit. Please feel free to, like I said, write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you liked what you saw. Thanks, Rubies, for watching, and I'll see you next time.